In this video, we will solve 12 minus 12 times 12 minus 12 equals to what? So first of all, we have this 12 minus 12 which gives us 0, and this will also gives us 0. So 12 minus 12 times 12 minus 12, which is equals to 0, times 0, which also gives us 0. But 0 is not the correct answer for this expression, because according to the order of operations, which is called PEMDAS or BODMAS, if we have parentheses or brackets, we have to solve them first, then exponents and order, and then we have to solve multiplication and division from left to right. So first we have to solve multiplication and division, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. So first we have to solve this multiplication, then this subtraction, and then this one. So according to this rule, our answer will be first 12 minus 12 times 12 gives us 144 minus 12. If you notice, we have plus 12 and minus 12. So we can easily cancel them out and the answer will be negative 144.